Hello, this is Dr. Buana. Currently, I'm doing my internship in JJMMC Davangere, Karnataka. Kumar Swamy sir was my maths teacher when I was in ninth and 10th standard. I studied in Kendriya Vidyalaya Donimalai, which is in Bellary district. Um, Kumar Swamy sir was more like a parent to me because whenever I used to get stressed out about subject related or I couldn't concentrate in my studies, I used to call him and he used to motivate me a lot, and he used to make timetable for me to start with this, do this, complete this within this time. uh, it was very easy for me during my exam times to ask him to help me out, and without any hesitation he used to talk to me, and he used to tell me, if you have any doubt you can come over any time. And he was a teacher who more of took care about what are the problems that the students are facing. Like, I had a problem solving equations and all, and understanding which method I should use more preferably. So he used to guide me through, uh, and it was very helpful as I took board exams in ninth and 10th, so it was very useful to get through that, and pretty much good score I got. Um, and the question bank which he prepared, that is the most important thing that helped me a lot, because question bank, it had almost all the questions, possible questions that might come, or beyond that, beyond that board exam level also. uh, we had, like, in one example only we had like tremendous amount of questions, like 10 to 20 questions, so that we will get expert in solving that kind of questions. uh, Even I completed my I like revised whole of my RD Sharma, whole of my RS Agrawal and all. Even then, if I get to go to solve his question bank, it had a lot of questions which were not there in these books which were available at that time. The question bank has a huge number of different type of questions that a student should know if they want to excel in these board exams. His way of teaching is like, it's amazing. He is a teacher who dedicates himself, like, I have seen him in his personal life also. He dedicates all of his time for the students to make their academic performances very well, good, and he makes sure that we stand out well in our classes. And not only that, he has a discipline. He has this very good way of teaching that he could solve easily any kind of uh, doubts when we give. Within some seconds he could finish it off, and he can explain it thoroughly to us also. So there are very few teachers that I remember in my school days. One of them is Kumar Sundu sir, and I'll never forget him in my life because of my maths, which was improved tremendously in these 2 years, ninth and 10th. Because of that only I could get easy and get through easily through my 11th, 12th and CET exams as well. Though I chose my career as a doctor, but if at all, if it never happened, I would have chosen something related to maths only, chemical engineering or engineering side. So I'm very glad that I got the opportunity to be his student, and may he inspire us all in future generation also. So thank you sir, thank you so much, and I'm very happy to do this review video. Thank you so much sir.